Opinion: what's best pop-up builder for WordPress? Choosing the best pop-up builder for WordPress depends on your specific needs, preferences, and the features you prioritize. However, some pop-up builders stand out for their user-friendly interfaces, robust features, and compatibility with WordPress. Here are 3 popular options. 1. OptinMonster. Features: drag and drop builder, exit intent technology, A/B testing, targeting options, integration with major email marketing services and CRMs. Pros: highly customizable templates, advanced targeting and segmentation options, seamless integration with WordPress, excellent customer support. Cons: pricing might be higher compared to other solutions. Why it's popular: OptinMonster is known for its ease of use, powerful features, and ability to significantly boost conversions. 2. Elementor Pop-up Builder, part of the Elementor Page Builder plugin. Features: fully integrated with Elementor Page Builder, extensive customization options, templates, targeting options. Pros: seamless integration with Elementor, which is widely used for WordPress website design, intuitive interface, flexibility in design and layout. Cons: limited functionality compared to standalone pop-up builders like OptinMonster, may require additional plugins for advanced features. Why it's popular: Elementor Pop-up Builder offers a convenient solution for WordPress users already using Elementor for their website design needs. 3. Popup Maker. Features: drag and drop builder, various triggering options, including exit intent, analytics, targeting rules. Pros: free version available with robust features, extensive customization options, compatibility with many WordPress themes and plugins. Cons: some advanced features are restricted to the premium version, learning curve for beginners. Why it's popular: Popup Maker is popular among WordPress users for its flexibility, feature-rich free version, and compatibility with various WordPress setups. Ultimately, the best pop-up builder for WordPress depends on your specific requirements, budget, and familiarity with the platform. Consider experimenting with demos, free trials, or free versions to determine which pop-up builder aligns best with your needs.